closer. Hello everybody. So I just want to share with you guys something, but first of all I want to try to show you a close-up. It's this amazing birds. We're just sitting in just a little wild area here in a sunny state of Florida, and just quiet night, nothing special going on for a person from Florida, but the person who grew up in Ukraine, and the only thing in a stone jungle, and the only animals I've seen is stray dogs and cats. There's a lot going on here. I want you to show you these dogs with a hairdo. Hello. See, they're kind of hiding a little bit. They actually, all these birds were here right next to us, and kind of wondering if we can decent people and got any food on us. And you know, their worst expectations came true because we don't have anything except for the, well, it's not for them. So I just feel like it's nice to capture these beautiful animals, but my message is, don't be surprised if your Ukrainian or Russian girlfriend like ask you to stop your car in the middle of nowhere because she wants to see a bird or like any kind of other wild animal, just because we're really deprived of this kind of beauty, especially people who live in the cities, in the big cities. But even those who live in the country, we don't have that variety of birds. We used to have a lot more wildlife, but hunters and all kinds of things have been happening. So we kind of lost our birds. And well, first of all, we've never had exotic birds because you know, where I'm from in Ukraine, we don't have we have just some ducks and some wild some of the wildlife in a total rural area, somewhere fine country, but our hunters are pretty active. So if they would get to US, they would probably take care of the most of the big geese and so on and so forth. So, but I just want to say, I almost feel sometimes people get annoyed with me because I get so excited about the wild nature, but it's only because I've never had this opportunity to just absorb this. And I really like that people, most of people are very loyal to these birds because they come to you so easily. So most people treat them well and feed them. These birds are really coming out to you so close. I can only imagine if I would have some bread or some kind of seeds, I probably would have like 50 birds kind of flying around. But it's just fascinating. And you know what, if you're looking for ideas to do things when you travel with your Ukrainian or Russian lady, it doesn't always have to be something extravagantly expensive. It can be as simple as going to the park and enjoying together the flora and fauna of just nature. Unless you are in Michigan and it's, you know, 15 negative. But anyways, I want to keep it short. It feels awesome to be here today. It's very relaxing, even though I think somebody had enough of birds. But I would honestly, if I could, I would stay there all day. And this is just a random like lake, but be ready that your lady be super excited about these things. And I live in Michigan, we have deer. I literally used to stop in the middle of a highway and get my binoculars and watch deer running in the cornfield, especially in the sunset. I was just fascinated by that. So it's normal, you don't have to see a therapist, it's absolutely normal. just have fun and maybe, you know, rediscover your appreciation for the wild nature. Thank you.